It's the influencing time, okay? I come on here and I'm always promoting all these different hair growth products and products that will make your hair feel amazing and look amazing. But it's been a while since I've talked about products that I don't use anymore. I don't think anyone should buy anymore. I'm not dissing any brands, by the way. Most of the products in here, I actually still love a lot of products from their brand, but these specific things, I just don't think you need. By the way, if you don't know me, my name is Angelica. I post videos twice a week as much as I possibly can. I promise I'll be posting more. I'm also going to be posting way more vlogs and lifestyle content, so feel free to comment what else you'd like to see in the comment section below. Let's get to the first product I'm going to mention. No particular order, I'm just going to pick them up as I see them. The first one is this Redken All Soft Conditioner. Now, this conditioner, the reason why I'm putting it on the de-influencing list is because it has not done anything amazing for me. I feel like this works the same way a drugstore conditioner would work. There's nothing really special. Luckily, it's not too expensive. It's not a bad product, it's just not amazing. Like for me, at this stage in my healthcare journey, I want every single product in my routine to be like, wow, this is amazing. If I stop using it, I'm going to see a difference in my hair. If I don't use this or if I use it, there's not really any difference in my hair and it's too expensive to keep in my routine for that. So I'm not throwing it away. It's still a great product. I'm still going to use it. And if it works for your hair, absolutely use it. But for me, it just doesn't work better than my Pureology conditioner. So I'm going to stick to that. And since we are conditioners, I might as well speak about the next regular conditioner. And this is the Olaplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. And this I'm not getting again for the same reason as the Redken. It's not a bad product. If anything, I think I like this one even more than the Redken. However, I've had this for almost a year now and it's there. Not because a little goes a long way, because a little does go a long way. However, I just don't find myself reaching for it as much. So I find that I use this the most when my hair is in a protective style, like twists or braids. Then I love to use this because I think it does a well enough job without me feeling like I'm wasting product. And that's how I'm going to use the rest of this. Would I repurchase it? Possibly for washing my hair in protective styles, because Pureology is really expensive to use in a protective style. So I like to use something that is a little cheaper but still effective. But the reason why I put this one in here is because I know Olaplex is having some issues. I'm not having those issues with them. I still think they're a great brand. It's just that if I had to pick one product from Olaplex, it would not be this. It would be the Bond Smoother number 6, which I have repurchased multiple times and I will continue to repurchase because I love it that much. The next one is a heat protectant. Okay, I started using this year and unfortunately it's also from Olaplex. This is their heat protectant. It's a hair serum and unfortunately it's kind of similar to this. It's not a bad product. I like it. I'm definitely going to finish it. However, I usually use these kinds of products when I'm straightening my hair and I don't straighten my hair very often. So when I do straighten my hair, I need every product to be amazing, like, wow, what is this stuff? How does it work? And this was just like, meh, it does the job. It protects my hair from heat damage. And to be honest, the main reason why I don't like this is because of the formulation. It starts off as like your classic serum and then it melts into almost like a liquidy moisturizer. And for my straightening, silk presses and all that, I prefer my heat protectant to be a little bit more silicone-y and like smoothing to the hair. And this is more like on the moisturizing side. So this is perfect for blow dries. I actually did a blowout on my hair because I needed a trim. So I actually use it for that and it is in my hair right now. I actually like it for that. So if you wear blowouts, you blow dry your hair very often, I would highly recommend this product because please ignore the light changing. I don't know what's going on with the weather, but anyway, if you blow dry your hair often, I would highly suggest this because I think that's what it's great for. But if you're going to do a silk press, it's just not the greatest texture for me. And I feel like if I use this, I'm still going to have to use another product that's the texture I want to achieve the specific feeling that I want in my hair. And so it's just not necessary for me because I also don't blow dry my hair very often. Most of the time when I blow dry my hair, I silk press it too. Now it's very hot, so I'm not going to do it. So it's a lot of product to get through if you're not going to use it very often. So that's why this is on the list. The next thing is this brush, okay? It's called best tool. And I guess it's kind of a dupe for the, what is it called? Felicia Leatherwood brush. I'm still yet to try that brush. I feel like maybe my hair will like it. But this, I feel like it almost breaks my hair. It's a little too harsh. If you want like super detangling, not a single knot in your hair, like it will get the job done, but I think it makes my hair shed a little more than usual. It's like my emergency brush. If my Denman brush breaks or another brush breaks and I really need my hair to be fully detangled, then I will like reach for this to just do like the final step of detangling, but I wouldn't buy another one. And I think this brush would be better for someone with either a finer hair texture, because my hair is like super thick. The individual strands and the actual amount of hair is actually a lot. Like, let me turn around so you can see. Right? Like, my hair is a lot. So, I think this is just too much to get through my hair. My sisters who have type 3 hair and like a silky or curl pattern love this brush. Like it glides through their hair, it detangles, it's perfect. So I think if you have a looser curl pattern or finer hair, this would probably work well. But for me, I just think it keeps getting too stuck in my hair. It's probably causing a little breakage, so it's my emergency brush. I'm not throwing it away just because I use it for emergencies, but I wouldn't repurchase and it's just not great for me. I'm just going to say drugstore hair masks in general, but mostly these Shea Moisture ones. And the specific reason is that I've had both of these masks also for a year now, I think. This one I think I've used one time in the whole year. This one I think I've used two, maybe three times in this whole year. That is the only reason. These two conditioners are still amazing. When I was broke, I would save up to get these, and these were my best hair masks of all time. They were the best I could get at the time. And now I just find that the masks that I use work so much better, and I find them to be even cheaper than this. That's specifically because this one has been my favorite drugstore mask of all time. It's the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Mask with Manuka honey and Mafura oil, right? This is amazing. It's great for thick hair. It's super thick. It leaves your hair feeling nice, but it just doesn't come up to the standard of my Amika mask, which is not much more expensive, and I use way less of that. Like a little goes a long way with the Amika mask. And so I find that if I were to work it out gram per gram, cost per use, the Amika one would be cheaper for like double or triple the results that I get with this. Like, I just think that it works better. So if you're looking for a drugstore mask that works amazing in the hair, I would still suggest this. It's just that, again, similar to the Olaplex one, every time I think of reaching for this, I look at my Amika in the corner and I'm like, can't let another week go by without using that. So I pick other conditioners, or let me say other deep conditioners, over this every single time. Here's the thing. A cheap product is not cheap if you're not going to use it, okay? It's like, you know, when you get excited and see things on sale and, oh my God, that went from $40 to $5, I'm going to buy 10 of them. And then you never use it. You're not saving money. You're just wasting money. So I'd rather spend more money on something that I would use till the bottom and get the best use out of and the best results, instead of buying a cheaper product that I have to use more of or don't use as often just because it sounded cheap in the moment. The next product is a leave-in conditioner. This is one that's recent to my routine. It's the Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength Divine Leave-In Milk. This is what it looks like. And as you can see, I have gone through it. It's still there. So it's not a terrible product. I have used it. But again, the product that I'm comparing this to is still like double the price, which is the Pureology, I don't remember what it's called. Pureology 21 Benefits something something. It's a similar consistency. It's in a similar packaging. Maybe it's even the same amount. However, I can use, let's say for my entire head, 15 to 20 sprays of that. With this, I have to use double or triple the amount of sprays to get the same effect. And it's still not the same effect, actually. No matter how much I use of this, my hair will never feel like the Pureology one. And yes, it doesn't do the same thing, but it is similar. It's a leave-in conditioner. It's something that protects against heat as well. And for me, it kind of works like how I feel about this conditioner. It's not a bad product. It doesn't make my hair feel hard. It doesn't cause any breakage. It doesn't do anything like that. However, if I was to stop using it, I wouldn't notice a difference in my hair. It doesn't make my hair feel amazing. Doesn't make my hair feel terrible. It's just one of those things where, let's say I'm traveling or I've run out of leave-in conditioner, I've got nothing to use, and I go into a store and I'm like, I need a leave-in conditioner. What's there that I could use? I would probably pick it just because it's the only available thing and it does the job, but it doesn't work better than anything else that I would have. So it would never replace anything in my routine. So this is the first thing I've tried from Carol's Daughter. I'm interested in trying their other products, but for me, it's just meh. You're going to be very shocked because this is something I've been raving about, not recently, but I was raving about it in the past. It's the Oribe Gold Lust All Over Oil. This is what it looks like. And first of all, the best thing about, okay, it's not the best thing about it, but something I absolutely love about this is the packaging. It has the most beautiful packaging. I think this might be the most beautiful oil bottle that I have. Okay, terrible light again. So even when this finishes, I never buy bottles for decanting like the oils that I make for myself. I always just use old bottles once I finish the oil. So as you can see, there's only that left. So again, it's not a terrible product. I'm lucky enough to have not bought a lot of products that make my hair feel terrible. And if I have them and I threw them away, I've totally forgotten about them. But this is an amazing oil. It makes my hair feel nice. However, for the price, I would rather get the Kerastase Elixir Ultime because that oil has been transformative. It has changed my hair. It's the best oil that has ever touched my actual hair strands. And so the price is almost the same as this for actually probably triple the amount. I don't know how many mils this is. Okay, 50 mils. So double the amount of product for probably the same price or cheaper. And the effects are so much better, and I would just use that more often. This just doesn't work as good as that one. So that's the only reason I wouldn't purchase it. But it is a great oil. It smells good. It does the job. But Kerastase is the winner of my hair oils. And speaking of oils, maybe some of you are going to get mad. Maybe some of you are not. But the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Scalp Hair Strengthening Oil. This is a great oil and I really loved it. I actually finished it. This bit of oil that's in here is my own oil mix, and the only reason I will not be repurchasing this is because my own oil mix, to be honest, is way better than this. I see better results. It feels better on my scalp. It just works so much better than this oil with way less ingredients and the exact concentration of all the favorite oils that I want. And so it just works so much better than this. And if you want to know how to make the oil that I'm talking about that is way better than this oil, you can watch it right here. And if you want to see other products that I actually do recommend, you can find the video right here where you can purchase them on Amazon or Sephora. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!